In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up recurring tasks in Trello. We'll take you through setting it all up quickly and efficiently so you can keep your tasks organized without having to remember to recreate them manually. Let's start by going over to Trello. If you're already familiar with Trello, you know it's a great tool for managing projects and tasks visually. And if you're new, don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Once you're on the Trello website, you'll want to sign in with your existing account. You can do this using your email, or if you prefer, you can sign in with your Apple ID or Gmail account. If you don't have an account yet, it's easy to set one up by following the prompts on the Trello website. Now that you're signed in, let's talk about power-ups. These are Trello's way of customizing your boards by adding additional features and integrations. For setting up recurring tasks, we need a specific power-up called the Card Repeater. Head over to the Power-Ups menu and search for Card Repeater. This power-up is incredibly useful as it automates the task of recreating cards that you want to repeat regularly. After selecting and installing the Card Repeater, don't forget to refresh your page. This helps ensure that the new functionality is correctly integrated into your board. Next, choose the card that you want to make recurring. Simply click on it to open up more detailed options. Once you have the card open, you'll notice several icons and options below the card description. Look for the power-up icon, then click on it and select the Repeat option. This is where the magic happens. Now you can set the frequency of how often you would like the card to be repeated. You have several options here to tailor it to your needs. You can specify the precise days of the week and even the time when you want this card to be recreated. Think about what works best for your workflow and schedule. This flexibility is what makes Trello a favorite among many users. After setting your preferences, be sure to click Save. This ensures that your settings are locked in and that the task will repeat at your specified intervals. With this setup, you can now rest easy knowing that your recurring tasks will be automatically managed. And that's it! You've successfully set up a recurring task in Trello. This simple automation can save you a lot of time and keep your task management streamlined. Feel free to explore other power-ups that might help make your Trello boards even more efficient. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!